Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to use eBay local pickup. So let's begin. Now, when you encounter something like an option here that says free local pickup from any parts of the certain region or location, and you wanted to add this to your listings as well, something like here, all we're gonna do is simply, now I need you to go to your seller's dashboard. Now once you are on the seller dashboard, click on the listings that you currently have or an item that you are planning to sell. Say for example, I already have a draft here. Click on that, and what will happen is, so you wanted to have an option for local pickup whenever you want to sell to one of your listings, so that when people search the local pickup on the browser, they'd be able to see that it is available on your shipping options. All right. Now, once you've done that, you need to go over to the shipping details. Now, once you are here in the shipping method, all you're going to do is click on local pickup only. Right. So that means you can sell any listings that you have to the buyers near to you. So whenever they search on the eBay bar, they would be able to locate you because you've activated the local pickup options. All right. Now, once you've done that, you might want to go again in the eBay search bar. Now from here, to see listings with local pickup option, or just select free local pickup on the left side of the search results, or you can use the advanced settings right here. Enter your keywords or item number, and then go to the select local pickup. Down below, as you can see, there's a shipping options wherein you can click on free shipping or local pickup, right? And once you've done that, just click on search. And this item has an option for local shipping. All you're gonna do is buy it now. Click on that, and now after making your purchase, contact the seller to arrange a time and place to collect your item and agree on how you'll pay it. Then the seller will let you know which payment methods they accept, in addition to credit card, Apple Pay, and a lot more. And after you completed your purchase, they will send an email with a local pickup code. And all you're gonna do, a QR code will be given to you, and just scan there so that they could scan your location. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.